Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing a test tube Tuesday lesson, a thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a wonderful woman lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday, your kids will learn all about air pressure and get to do several fun experiments. They'll also get to build this fun barometer. On Thursday, your kids will be talking about how fun surprises can be, and they will get to make their very own surprise that you might find somewhere in your house. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about Julia Child, and your kids will get to make the French recipe clafoutis. It is yummy. All of the materials for all of these activities are directly below this video, and they're also below the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.